Welcome to a quick tutorial on reposting stories on Instagram in full screen mode. Let's dive in. Open the Instagram app on your phone and locate the story you wish to repost. Simply tap on the profile picture to view it in full screen. Look for the paper airplane icon at the bottom of the screen and tap on it. From the menu that appears, select Add Post to your story. Resize the story to fill the entire screen. You can do this by pinching or zooming with your fingers until it fits perfectly. Want to add your personal touch? You can include stickers or text to the reposted story. Just tap on the respective icons at the top of the screen. Once you're satisfied with how the story looks, tap on your story at the bottom of the screen to share it with your followers. That wraps up this tutorial on how to repost a story on Instagram in full screen. Now you can easily share captivating stories with your followers while giving credit to the original creators. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more Instagram tips and tricks. Also, feel free to leave any questions or suggestions in the comments below.